Hello. Welcome to Ask Lucy, where people ask me anything and everything. I'm Lucy, and today's call is about coughing. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Freezing. I see. Lullaby. Calm.
Hi, Lucy. My name is Daniel. I've been coughing every night and I can't sleep. What can I do?
Oh, dear Daniel, coughing all night is truly unpleasant. Let me tell you a story.
A story? Will it help me sleep better? Will it help me sleep better?
Absolutely. Once I was in a cold, icy tent in the mountains of Nepal. I had a terrible cough. The coughing was so loud it scared the mountain goats nearby. But then, I remembered something.
What did you remember, Lucy?
I drank warm tea with honey and sang a soft lullaby to myself. It worked like magic.
A lullaby? Isn't that for kids? A lullaby? Isn't that for kids?
Not at all, Daniel. Your mind needs calm to stop the nightmare of coughing. Try it tonight. A warm drink and a song.
That sounds odd, but I'll try it. Do you think it will really help?
Trust me, Daniel. If it worked for a spy in a freezing tent, it'll work for you too. Thanks for listening, and remember, if you have a question, just ask Lucy.